Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on this meteor shower effect. So in addition to the stars that we see in the night sky, we can see now these meteors. So with the moon, so this will be automatically disabled by the sunrise, and as you can see, moon is setting over there. So also I have exposed parameters in this time of day system. Stop. Here you have this meteor rate. If I increase it, you will see more meteors, and of course you can set it to 0 as well, so no meteors at all. And yeah, also you will have parameters to, I will show you how to change the direction of the meteors as well. So yeah, let's see how to do this today. So if you remember, I worked on this meteor shower system. I implemented this in Unreal Engine 4.26, and the tutorial is freely available in YouTube in my channel. This is the video. I'll put a link in the description also, so you can refer to that. So I'm just gonna reuse this same Niagara system and migrate it into my open world project and use it. Right, now this is my open world project, and here is the meteor shower Niagara system. So one thing you should note is, once you migrate the 4.26 version into 5.1, you no longer get by default this tail, this ribbon, because this width is not set for some reason when I migrate it into Unreal Engine 5.1. So you have to set the ribbon width and also set the color like this, otherwise the tail will not appear. Okay, now if I just drop it here, this is how it looks, and this is not how I want it. Just like the stars we worked on yesterday, we need these meteors to appear high up in the sky like the stars. So let me go to meteor shower Niagara particle system, and here, just like we did for the stars, I'll change this. Actually, this fountain, this is the head of the meteor, so I'll name it as head, and this is tail. I'll change this box location into this shape location, and I'll delete the box location. Okay, now I'll choose the sphere shape, and it looks crazy. Let me open the star particle. I need to use the same parameters I used yesterday for this sphere radius and this hemisphere distribution. So the sphere radius should be this much, so we wouldn't see the meteors now, and this has to be just like here, 1 and 0.5. 1 and 0.5. 0.5. Now, where is the meteor? Okay, so when I select it, you can see the meteors are appearing high up in the sky. We don't see that, so let's increase the size. 4,000 to 12,000. Do you see that? Let me disable the stars for now. Because I need to focus on the meteors. So yeah, they are visible, but we don't really see any movement because they are the movement is very small compared to the location that they are in at the moment. Okay. See. Hold on. These are not. Oh, we still have stars. Why? Didn't I already disabled it? Oh, maybe because I have this open. Still not going away. What if I just hide this? Okay. Alright, now you see the meteors very small. So here, at velocity, I'll make this. I'll keep this as 5 and minus 2 and add a multiply vector by float. We had 5 and minus 2 and 10,000. Not enough. Let's increase this size of this. Okay. I think I forgot one more thing. Here, sphere location, we need to set surface distribution to 1. Okay, still not visible. Oh, sorry. I've been setting the lifetime. That's not what I should have set. What's the lifetime we had before? Perhaps something between 3 to 5. And the sprite size. About 20,000. Yeah, barely visible. Good. 200,000. It's a bit too much. Okay, now it should be faster. So velocity, let's add another 0. Cool. And the tail. So let's have something like 100,000. Too much, obviously. Carry 1 0. Good enough. Yeah, I think it looks cool. What if we increase the brightness of this a little more. 5000. Is it too much? Perhaps 500. Okay. Now let me enable the stars and see how they look together. Looks cool. So of course we don't really need to see the meteor showers in the daytime, so you can disable that in the daytime. So for that, let me now remove this meteor shower from the level, but if you need to keep it, you can just drag and drop it into your level if you don't have a dynamic time of day system. So along with the moon, it looks really cool. Let me see if I can take a better look. I have disabled running for this character. Perhaps I should have enabled it again. And the moon is setting over there. So let's see how it looks in the daytime before I implement automatically disabling the moon, disabling the meteor shower in the daytime. Sun is rising. Oh, I can still see that. Okay, now let's implement how to disable it. So for that, as I said, we need to remove this from the level and open time of day. Just like these stars, I'll add meteor shower. Into the blueprint. This should be disabled by default, and let's define a user parameter here, because I don't need a lot of meteors. I need to set up a way to control the number of meteors you see in the sky. So here spawn rate is 90. I'll define a user parameter. Oh, they are here. User exposed. Let's make new integer parameter. I'll call it the spawn rate. By default, it should not be 0. How do I change it? I'll keep it 50 and I'll bind it here. Get user away from new user parameter, the spawn rate. Okay. Alright. Is it still working? What happened here? Oh wait, we got 2 now. Let's delete one. This is promoted as a user parameter. That's what happened. That's new. I didn't know that before. Okay, it's still working. I just dragged and dropped one. Here, right. Now, here, yeah, we have this spawn rate. I'll set it to something like 20. And then, in the sunset, sunrise, just like this is stars, we can enable or disable meteor shower. So this should be deactivate. And also I need to detach these from this time of day actor, because time of day actor keep rotating, but I don't need to rotate the meteor shower. So just like this stars, detach from component, and then set world rotation to 0. Right. Now let's play the game. Hansi. It's night time. We do see the meteors, but I started to feel like they are too close. It's fine. Right, perhaps we should, let's check the velocity. This -2. Make it -1. Yeah, under the Also, do we need to have random direction? It wouldn't look cool if it have random direction. So I think that the way they look is better. So one more thing. Let me expose a parameter in this blueprint itself to control the number of meteorites. So how do I set it? Set integer parameter. Oh, that's for audio. Okay. Get Niagara system. Set parameter. No. It's like this. Variable. Set Niagara variable integer. So this is an integer, this spawn rate. Oh no, it's a float, not integer. Okay, so that means set float Niagara set, this one, set Niagara variable float. So the name should go as, I think it should go as user.spawnRate. In value, I promote to a variable Meteor rate and make it public. So if I make it something like 5, we should say less. Wait. Okay. See, now we see less. Okay, and also you can change this meteor rate to whatever you need. If you make it 0, you wouldn't have any meteors at all. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.